Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the Flowering Zinnias Designer Series paper, as well as the Simply Zinnia stamp set. Both of these items are online exclusives, okay? So you have to go to StampItUp.com in order to see these items. So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First up, we have our April Paper Pumpkin Kit, Delicate Wings. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards and has a basic gray stamping spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can also purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on for $12. It's a set of 4 dies. It coordinates with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kit. The item number is 164397. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, there's a link below in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate, medium-sized USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our March host code. This is a code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more before shipping and tax. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up!, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. Okay, so we're going to be using Kendra's card challenge number 13. This is sketch number 8. So let's find number 8. This is number 8 here. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead and get started really quickly. We're going to do some stamping. And I'm going to get some grid paper out here just in case I need to go over a bit. So what we're going to do first is stamp a big image from the stamp set, and we're going to do it in petal pink. Trying to make sure I get good coverage. I'm taking the ink pad to the stamp because the stamp is so large. I'm even having to use my E-block. I don't pull this out a lot. And we're going to stamp that right there. Oh, I think I touched down on the paper. Okay, that's good. Then we're going to stamp our sentiment. I wasn't sure if it was larger than the piece of cardstock. We have some Melon Mambo. We're going to stamp our image. Oh, we're not stamping on that. I have another piece of basic white here. That is about 2 by 3/4. And let's see, I cut 2 pieces of this just in case I don't get this straight. Oh, that's perfect. All right. So I have a card base here of 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2. And I've gone ahead and done the inside in some old olive 5 by 3 3/4, basic white 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, a piece of designer series paper that is 3/4 by 3 1/2. Okay. So then I have another piece of old olive that we're going to layer our rest of our things on. So I have 2 pieces of designer series paper here. I need glue. And we are going to use this floral side. This is some beautiful paper. Let's see. We're going to put this down with a little border on 3 sides. Then we're going to take this piece. Oh, I love this side of the paper. I used that not too long ago on some cards. I think it was for the monthly sheet load of cards by Call Me Crafty Owl. I love those cards. I think because the paper. Okay, so now we're going to take this piece of basic white. That is a lot of glue. Trying to rub it in. And we're going to sit that right here Gonna line it up with these papers, trying to get it straight and even. Okay, maybe I cut something wrong because it doesn't look too even, but we're gonna go with it. So then I'm gonna add this to our card base. It looks like I need to add some ribbon or something. I don't have any ribbon that I would want to use on this. These cards are, this card sketch, it makes it easy to put it together once you cut everything out. I have some old olive here, but I'm not quite sure what I was thinking when I think I want to put this like right here. Maybe that's why I didn't cut it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Ooh, you know what I want to do? Let's get our melon mambo, and I'm gonna dip my cardstock in this melon mambo. I'm not scraping it or rubbing it. I'm just pressing it right down onto there. Now I need to bring this back because that ink will stay wet a little bit. Stand up, Eggie. So let's put some glue on the back of this. And we're not going to put it all the way to the top because the top part is going to be hanging off of our green because they're the same 3/4 inch, but the green is just like 1/4 of an inch longer, but they're same in height. Okay, so we're going to do that. Then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals and pop this up. So let's put some dimensionals on the back here. Should I put one right there, right at the top to make sure that stays? You know what? I think I want to cut one in half. So we can use half ones down here. Okay, come up. There we go. It was trying to give me trouble. So then we're gonna put this. Oh, see what happened? I kind of moved it. Okay, put that right there, like that. And then I'm gonna add some of these Adhesive-Backed shiny sequins that goes with this suite of products. Okay, if I can get into it, come on. I don't know why this nail keeps getting all the ink on it. Probably because I'm right-handed. I use this hand all the time, and that's the finger that's always in the way. Take your pick tool, color of the gems we want to use. I don't know. Let's use these green ones. Why not? Put one there. Maybe one here. Right there. Maybe two more. I don't know why I'm feeling like I need something right up here. Oh, and I know what. I know what's going to make this go over the top. You guys know what I'm going to do, right? Wink-a-Stella. Let's Wink-a-Stella this baby. Yes. Get in there. Sparkle this thing up. That's beautiful. Okay, look at that. Nice and simple. Oh, gosh, that Wink-a-Stella just really sets that off. Okay, cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.